KC Tile Restoration, South Florida's tile, grout and marble restoration specialists. Serving Palm Beach, Broward, Martin, and St. Lucie counties since 1996, KC Tile Restoration is licensed, bonded and insured, and offers a vast array of services to help you clean, restore, or repair your tile, floors, showers, pavers, and more. KC Tile is top-rated within the industry, and our team is highly trained, professional, and courteous. We do not use any subcontractors. We only use the best materials and cleaning products available, which is why we are able to offer a 10-year guarantee on most of our work. From residential and commercial to interior and exterior, our crews are equipped with innovative cleaning and restoration methods to make your space like new. Interior services include tile cleaning, grout color sealing, restoration and repair, marble restoration including all types of stone, polishing, honing, filling holes, loose, buckling, and hollow tile with an Inject-A-Floor system, Mexican tile stripping and sealing, shower repair, soft wall repair. We also offer exterior services including Paver pressure cleaning and sealing, Paver tinting, Paver repairs, sanding, removal of efflorescence. At KC Tile, we are dedicated to the highest quality of service and customer care. Let us get started on your next project today. Visit kctile.com to learn more or contact us at 561-965-2900. We deliver what others promise.